Styles. Mo. I think that one's awesome though.
In every single romance movie, are they looking for romance? No. Romance finds them. When they're trapped together in a perilous situation. I dig Daniel. Trapped together in a mine. Now boarding, trapped together in a
Oh my gosh.
When I think
He's cool.
damn it.
What?
Yeah, I draw a Pokemon team.
This is me.
I don't know. Choose anyone.
Captain Falcon.
Charles Cunt.
Yeah, cunt.
Okay then.
No, I want to be penis.
Okay.
This is the
I'll
one
be-
that I made. What did we call him again?
Engineer.
What's his name?
Shit.
Oh yeah. What's his name again?
Wet.
You. And this one's hard, isn't it?
No, that one's Note.evi.
There's Engineers, Pikachu, and all that.
The engineer is Pikachu? I think Shitty.
Shitty.
I don't know about the other one. One's cunt anyways, right there.
They do.
The dragon. Right, look.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh! Look. His hands. He dead now. I'll put you down for one.
Oh, that's Neon Linear.
Snee! The hell that?
Let me say, Renee.
Watch out. I just need you.
What you doing? Let's watch him seal.
Germany.
Or so.
Germany. I'm a dog from Germany. Cause I'm cool like that.
What's wrong? What did you do to him? You gotta be very careful, Rico. There's that line right there. It's stretched.
And his head goes right. Something like that.
There, I fixed it.
Oh, that needle hit me.
Very cool.
Yeah, you just gotta sew it together. Just gotta do that. I know how to sew. So. Is it just me? Look. His organ came out.
Zang.
You gotta put his heart back in.
What?
What? It's right on the heart position right there. See, I took out the speaker.
Oh, shit.
Oh, that's where the speaker is. Shut up!
Shut up.
That stupid monkey always gets squished and then it goes. Then it goes all this. Oh, I think I'm gonna look at that and it's just coming up from him.
You're ready.
Hit him. It fell out! Rico, you gotta sew that part.
You have to sew that part.
You put it in there. Okay, you've been waiting for 4 minutes and I'm sorry. I'm just kidding. Ow!
Haven't you guys better not ripped off his legs or anything?
No.
It's still on there.
The monkey's fat now.
Stupid thing.
Oh, let's do it.
Hi. Look at my teeth. That looks so weird. Okay, what the hell are you doing?
Shut up.
Hear you. Damn it. You're no matter to be nice.
I was getting mad at him.
Oh, I
Hey,
should
no
make
one
it
go
so-
by here where the thread is. The
Okay,
needle's on it, that's why.
I'm busy drawing these.
Name or something. Why not?
I think. No, I made the sketches look all gay.
I'm scared.
It's lazy to draw him.
Okay, pass me him now. Shut up.
Hey. Okay, bye.